Okay, so today we're going to use in this short video, the whole video speeded up. I'm not really drawing this fast. Today we're going to use our ellipse sketching and shading skills to draw this bottle. Okay, so this is just a juice bottle I found at home. I've drawn the horizontal and vertical axes, and now I'm drawing the vertical lines for the outside of the bottle. You need to carry these on quite a long way. I'm going to put a horizontal line in where the vertical part of the bottle stops. Now I'm drawing the ellipse to show the base of the bottle, and this is an isometric projected bottle. So I'm going to draw ellipses at the top and bottom of the cylindrical part. So this is exactly the same as when we drew the cylinder, for the top and bottom of the part of the bottle that's actually uniform and the same width all the way up. If you're a bit confused, you can go back to the video of the circle. I'm marking out here the way to make drawing the ellipse easier. Marking the centre of those cross lines and a half and a third of the distance out again. Alright, so now we've got the ellipses for the tops and the bottoms of the cylindrical part of the bottle. And now we've got to try and estimate where the actual top of the bottle is. So there'll be a smaller ellipse for the top of the bottle. Now the bottle view changes here now, so you can see the top of the bottle. Now this one I've marked out the radiuses, but I'm just going to fill this in by hand. It's a little bit off center, which is going to make the drawing a little bit off center, but that doesn't matter. And then use the guidelines on the side to help you draw the curved part of the bottle in. Okay, so now we're going to shade. So darkest at the outsides of the bottles where the edges are, moving into, on the left hand side, 1 or 0 level very quickly. You remember your tonal curves. And on the other side the same thing, dark on the outside, moving into around here, a 1 level. Shade the bottom of the bottle. And then shading the top of the bottle. I'm probably going to have to bring the lid out a little bit wider to make it a little bit more realistic. As you can see, I'm not the greatest artist, but if you follow the instructions, you should be able to get a reasonable looking bottle. Bottle drawing drawn. I'm going to compare this with one that I produced a little bit earlier. That's probably a little bit of a better